Hey car crew, it's your girl Liza, serving up some real talk on wheels. Because not all cars are created equal. Some look good on paper but turn into a nightmare after you drive them for a while. In today's video on Auto Budget Reviews, we're revealing 5 cars you should avoid in 2025, because they come with serious regrets. Before you head to the dealership, watch this till the end to save yourself from wasting money, time, and peace of mind. If you love honest reviews and smart car advice, hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and let's dive in. Okay, first up we've got the 2024 Nissan Versa. Now I know what you're thinking. Lisa, it's a Nissan, it's reliable, right? Well honey, not so fast. This car is like that friend who peaked in high school. It had its moment, but now it's stuck in the past. The engine? Slower than a snail in a staring contest. The interior? Outdated. It's like stepping back in time and not in a cool vintage way. And don't even get me started on the safety features, or lack thereof. It's 2025, people. We need more than just airbags and hope. Plus, this car depreciates faster than my patience in a traffic jam. So unless you're collecting vintage electronics and enjoy driving a relic, steer clear of the 2024 Nissan Versa. Next up is the 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage. Oh, the Mirage. It's like that discount store find that seems like a steal until it falls apart after one wash. This car is cheap, and it shows. The engine? Underpowered. You'll be lucky to merge onto the highway without breaking a sweat. And the cabin noise? Get ready for a symphony of rattles, squeaks, and groans. It's like driving a tin can down a gravel road. And the materials? Let's just say they're not exactly what dreams are made of. Look, I'm all for saving money, but not when it means sacrificing comfort, quality, and my sanity. Trust me, you'll end up paying the price in frustration, repairs, and maybe even some therapy sessions. So, unless you're a big fan of DIY car repair and earplugs, skip the Mirage. Chapter 3. Now, let's talk about the 2024 Jeep Renegade. It's got that rugged, adventurous look like it's ready to conquer mountains and ford rivers. But don't let the exterior fool you, my friends. This car is all bark and no bite. The fuel economy? Yikes. It drinks gas like it's going out of style. And the ride? Stiff. Get ready for a bumpy ride, even on paved roads. It's like riding a mechanical bull, except you're the one paying for the gas. And the repair costs? Oh honey, let's just say they're not for the faint of heart. Look, I get it, Jeeps have a certain image. But when it comes to the Renegade, the reality doesn't live up to the hype. So, unless you're a mechanic with a lot of spare time and money, I'd say skip the Renegade. Chapter 4. Okay, the 2024 Chevrolet Trax. Now, the new Trax is actually a pretty sweet ride, if you don't go for the base trim. That's right, the base trim is where the regrets begin. It's like ordering a pizza with all the toppings, and then finding out they only put cheese on half of it. You want adaptive cruise control? Nope. Push button start? Dream on. Larger screens? Not a chance. The base trim is so bare bones, it's practically a skeleton. And for what? To save a few bucks? Trust me, it's not worth it. You'll end up kicking yourself every time you have to fumble with your keys or squint at the tiny screen. So, if you're going for the Trax, and I think you should, treat yourself to a higher trim level. You deserve it. Chapter 5. Last but not least, we have the 2024 Toyota CHR. Now, I know what you're thinking, Liza, it's a Toyota. They're known for their reliability. And you're right, they are. But the CHR? It's like that friend who goes on a year-long backpacking trip and comes back a completely different person. The new version is underpowered, cramped inside, and guess what? It's not even available in the US anymore. That's right, it's an import now. Which means if you have any problems with it, good luck getting it serviced. It's like trying to order takeout from a restaurant in a different country. So, unless you're fluent in automotive repair and have a passport full of stamps, I'd say steer clear of the 2024 Toyota CHR. Outro, let's be real. Not every car is worth your hard-earned money. From outdated tech to high-maintenance headaches, these 5 models should stay off your list in 2025. Did any of them surprise you? Let us know in the comments below and tell us which car you'd never buy again. For more honest, budget-smart reviews, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Budget Reviews. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends before they make the wrong choice.